Hey Earthlings! So, today we're going to talk about the most fascinating object in our universe. Our universe is a wide and complex space with billions of planets and stars, as well as countless theories and unanswered questions. Scientists may know most of it is going on in space. One of the few things that until this day scientists cannot explain are black holes. For years, black holes have been a mystery to the people who have studied them. From the great minds of Albert Einstein to Stephen Hawking, there have been several studies to try and understand these unknown cosmic entities. It all goes back to the late 1700s, where scientists thought that about what happened if an object had a gravitational pull so great that not even light could escape it. 2 centuries and countless theories later, mankind has finally been able to produce the first image of a black hole. 50 million light years from Earth, at the center of the Messier 87 galaxy, lies a supermassive black hole. Black holes have been identified as the strangest result of star death. It also produces neutron stars and phenomena such as pulsars and quasars. Some scientists say that it will happen to our sun someday, but now it is not big enough to do that. When the star dies, its mass increases to such an extent that there are no outward force that can resist it. This causes the star to collapse in on itself to a focus of one small point. The gravitational pull of these centers of darkness constantly increase as you approach it. Beyond a specific point, known as the event horizon, nothing can ever come back. Scientists have given it this name because no one knows about any events that may happen beyond that point on. Thanks to today's technology, scientists are finally able to get an image of the black hole. The latest image of the black hole was a success for astronomers. It's very difficult to get an image of these because black holes don't radiate light. Astronomers had to use not one but 8 telescopes all around the world and had to work for about 2 years in order to get the image. In the universe, there are different types of black holes, starting from stellar to supermassive and lastly the miniature ones. Stellar black holes have masses less than 100 times that of the Sun. They are believed to be made of possible evolutionary endpoints of high mass stars. If the core is greater than about 2 to 3 solar masses, the pressure of the neutrons is unable to stop the collapse and a stellar black hole is formed. Supermassive black holes contain between million and billions of masses more than the stellar black holes. Astronomers aren't exactly sure how these black holes form. Some suggest that they were formed by the different gas clouds from the early stages of the formation of galaxy, since most stars are in the center. Most supermassive black holes are unable to be seen by a telescope because of their distance. Astronomers believe that miniature black holes are real, yet they haven't confirmed their existence. Theory suggests that these have been formed when the universe was formed. These miniature black holes may contain as much matter as Mount Everest, which is very little compared to stellar and supermassive black holes. Now that scientists have known black holes for decades, but don't fully understand them, surely theories have been made over the years. Under Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity can bend time. It actually makes sense since black holes have a gravity that increases constantly as you get closer. But in reality, what happens is for the observer that is falling near the event horizon, time will freeze and eventually time will become meaningless. So black holes are still one of the most biggest mysteries in the universe. Astronomers work hard day and night to get a bit closer to fully understanding these cosmic entities. Nobody will know where the future will take us, but I know for a fact that we won't give up until we learn more of what is out there in the dark, cold space.